In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Todoist and Evernote, two powerful tools that when used together can significantly enhance your productivity, whether you're looking to streamline your task management or create a more cohesive note-taking and project management system. Integrating Todoist with Evernote is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to have accounts in both Todoist and Evernote. If you haven't already, make sure to sign up and log into both. We'll start with Todoist. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Todoist login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, the next step requires your password. Once you've keyed in your password, go ahead and click the login button to access your Todoist dashboard. Now within Todoist, you'll want to direct yourself to the Today view. This is essentially your home base where you can see tasks scheduled for today. Look towards the top left corner of the page where you'll see your profile. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to delve into the more detailed aspects of your Todoist account. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Integrations tab. This is where Todoist hides all the magic that allows it to work harmoniously with other applications. Here, you're looking for the option to Add Integrations. Clicking this opens up a world of possibilities for extending the functionality of Todoist with other tools, including, of course, Evernote. Search for Evernote within the list of potential integrations. Once you find it, there should be an evident Add button. Clicking this initiates the process of linking Todoist and Evernote. But we're not quite done yet. To make the magic happen, you'll need to venture into Todoist IFTTT, if this then that channel. IFTTT is a free web-based service that helps your apps and devices work together, and in this case it's the bridge that connects Todoist and Evernote. Within the Todoist IFTTT channel, look for the option to Connect. This step is crucial because it authorizes the interaction between Todoist and Evernote through IFTTT, essentially letting them communicate and work together based on predetermined conditions or applets. After connecting through IFTTT, your final step is to specifically enable the syncing between Evernote and Todoist. This is usually done by selecting an option that, in one form or another, implies syncing or integrating Todoist with Evernote. Upon finding this option, simply click on Connect Evernote. This finalizes the connection, allowing both services to begin their synergistic exchange of tasks, notes, and reminders according to your preferences set in IFTTT. And that's it, you've successfully connected Todoist with Evernote. By following these steps, you've unlocked a new level of productivity, where your tasks and notes inform and complement each other across both platforms. Imagine creating a task in Todoist, and having related notes automatically pulled in from Evernote or vice versa. The possibilities are vast and can be tailored to fit your unique workflow. Remember, the beauty of integrating these services lies in the customization options available through IFTTT. Take time to explore different applets or create your own to refine how Todoist and Evernote interact. Whether you want to automatically create a Todoist task for each new note in a specific Evernote notebook, or you're looking to sync reminders between the two, a little bit of exploration goes a long way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Integrating Todoist and Evernote can significantly streamline your productivity processes, allowing you to focus more on the tasks at hand and less on managing two separate platforms. Give it a try, tweak it to your liking, and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.